So, sige dito flip ani sa ato ang mga Bible karon na because I'll be throwing some verses. Look at in the book of Matthew chapter 28. That is the last chapter. Matthew chapter 28. Verse 18 to 20. Kita na? I'll read. All authority in heaven and on earth has been given to me. Therefore, go and make disciples of all nations, baptizing them in the name of the Father,